Prepare your ride for a new journey with our FH Group made-to-order seat covers, custom fit for your Ford Bronco full-size SUV. Made with soft and stretchy neoprene and neo-supreme fabrics, these custom-fit seat covers are precision cut to meet vehicle specifications and tailored for a perfectly snug fit. The innovative design makes installation easy. Begin by removing all the headrests. Then, starting with the front bucket seats, stretch the backrest cover over the seat. Now, push the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat bottom. From the rear and under the seat, grab the straps and secure them to the back, using the hook and loop adhesive sides. Then, unfold the seat cover and fasten it to the seat with the hook and loop closure. Now, slip the headrest covers over the headrests. Next, stretch the seat cover bottom over the seat and push the straps through the crevice to the back side. Grab the straps and stretch them underneath the seat bottom. Then, using the straps with the buckles in the front, connect them together under the seat to secure the covers. The armrest cover easily slips over the front center console for added comfort. Next, stretch the fabric over each section of the rear backrest. Tuck the straps through the crevice of the backrests and fasten the fabric to the back seats with the hook and loop closure. Next, zip up the back side to secure the backrest. Then, stretch the rear bottom cover around the seat. Tuck the straps through the crevice and secure the straps under the seat with the buckle clips. Finally, you can enjoy your Ford Bronco full-size SUV like never before and appreciate the stylish yet practical benefits of your newly installed custom-fit neoprene seat covers.